It look like Igbo.
It look like
Igbo.
it look like
Igbo, na Igbo.
na Igbo. So a person when they speak the language, when they answer name, a name what's the difference between a chairman or a man name and Igbo man?
All of them are the same name.
So what are you saying then?
So all of them are the same.
Are you saying that Ikore man is an Igbo man?
Oh, yes, Ikore man is an Igbo man.
Ụmụ Igbo ndị ọma ndị ihe ọma na-agara ọfụma, ana m ewetara unu ozi si n'aka Chijiokan Enterprise. Chijiokan Enterprise bụ ndị na-ere ụgbọala dị iche iche, ụgbọala dịka Toyota Hilux, Hiace buses, yala Coaster buses, ndị nke na-aṅụkwa fuel yala diesel. Showroom ha nọ na 76/78 Market Road n'akụkụ Gibsco Hotel, Rumumasi, Port Harcourt. Ma ọ bụ gaa kpọọ ha n'ekwentị 08032774317 ma ọ bụ 08124000101.
Chijiokan Enterprise, aka na-ere operational vehicles.
Good afternoon, bro.
Good afternoon.
What's the name?
I'm Solomon.
Solomon who?
Solomon Obubelebara.
Ah, yeah. Solomon Obubelebara.
Yeah.
From
Rivers State.
where for Rivers?
Okrika.
Okrika. Okay. We dey conduct small street survey on people and culture. So my question now, how you go take identify Igbo man if you see him?
If you see Igbo man, no say Igbo people like business. All their own like business. If you see Igbo man, how you go use identify him to say when in there on the street, carry Rivers person come drop, carry Igbo man come drop. You go know say the Rivers man waiting go choose. Now business when go choose. For Igbo man, you go get talent, they do your whole business, so then go excel tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay. So apart from this one where you talk now, what about name and language? You use identify Igbo man.
Okay. The name and language we go use identify Igbo man be say Igbo man intonation when they speak, intonation they different from Rivers person.
Intonation.
Intonation, yes. Immediately,
Who be the Rivers person? Who be Rivers person?
Rivers people, we say we Rivers people. Our home be say when we speak, you go know say this language now from Rivers.
Count how many languages went there for Rivers?
Rivers, we have many languages. We have
Count give me 4.
We have Ogoni, we have Okrika, we have Kalamare, we have Nembe languages.
Okay. Well, so what about the
Ikwere.
Okay, Ikwere man now. But what in Ikwere man they speak? Not be Igbo.
Ikwere man is partly from Igbo.
Partly. Let me explain that partly.
Because Ikwere man, when Ikwere man speak, Igbo man go yaram. When Igbo man speak, Ikwere man go yaram.
But if Okrika man speak, if you did now, Okrika, maybe another Okrika man there, then one Igbo man there. If the 2 Okrika people speak, Igbo man go yaram.
No, you no go yaram.
If you now like Mona plan say, we go kill this man, you go yaram.
No.
Okay, but
you know,
no, I just I don't know the key person. Okay, now my as in what about 2 as in Ikwere man and Ikwere man and 1 Igbo man and 1 Okrika man. They as in Ikwere man talk for his own language. Tell use and tell Igbo man something. You go here.
Some languages, 2 of them, they go feel each other.
So what is that called?
So the difference between is some words. There are some words which the Igbo man will use, which the Ikwere man will not hear.
That's dialect.
Yeah, it's dialect.
So that means it's one language, but they are speaking different dialects.
Different languages, dialect.
They are speaking one
language or different dialect.
So,
yes.
So waiting can make them not be one person.
That one me I no go fit understand.
But
for their forefathers.
You know about people.
Oh, we know about people.
But they speak waiting.
Different language.
What do they speak?
Now one.
Which language is that?
That about they look like Igbo.
It look like
Igbo.
Okay, you know Eche people.
No, Eche too.
What do they speak?
All of them are the same Igbo.
Yeah.
It look like Igbo.
It look like
Igbo.
It look like
Igbo, na Igbo.
So a person when they speak the language, when they answer name, a name. What's the difference between Eche man or Ikwere man name and Igbo man?
All of them are the same name.
So what are you saying then?
So all of them are the same.
Are you saying that Ikwere man is an Igbo man?
Yes, Ikwere man is an Igbo man.
All right, brother. So what's your name again?
My name is Solomon.
Solomon.
Yes.
Tell me that your
Obubele Bara.
Obubele Bara. I like that name, bro. All right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. All right.